People talk a lot about love languages when meeting people, but I think we should normalize talking about conflict languages when meeting people. Like, if we have issues, are you rude? Are you direct? Will I feel safe? Like, are you malicious? Like, will you calm down and listen to my own feelings? Listen to my own plight? Will it take us forever to resolve any issue when we have it? A lot of things to consider, especially that conflict resolution issues. What are your conflict languages? Hope I'm safe with you whenever we have these issues. Can you calmly listen to me, listen to my emotional needs whenever we have issues? It's really a huge flag having a cordial relationship aside considering their love languages. Conflict languages are one of the things people should talk about when they are meeting new people. Like when the chips are down, when emotions are high, who are you? Are you still in control emotionally, psychologically, and otherwise?